Hi there, I'm David Lau. When you think about a wok, you automatically think about stir fries. But the new iCook wok is incredibly versatile and can actually be used in a wide range of cooking methods, including shallow frying, simmering, boiling, and braising, which is exactly what I'm going to demonstrate today. I'm going to be making some delicious honey barbecue pork. Now, I prepared a marinade with 2 tablespoons of char siu sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. I'm going to be putting the pork scotch fillet in the iCook wok with the marinade and some minced garlic. Next, I'm going to add 250 ml of cold water. I'll turn the burner to a medium heat and put the lid back on and let that cook for 10 minutes. And of course, with the lid on, we'll lock in all the nutrients using the exclusive Vitalock system. It's iCook's low moisture way of cooking that helps the food maintain its natural color, flavor, texture, and of course, the all-important nutrients. After 10 minutes, we'll turn the meat over and cook for another 10 minutes. Wow, it looks great. I'm just gonna let the sauce reduce a little bit, and then we're gonna add some honey, and she's ready to go. Cut the pork into slices, add a drizzle of sauce, and there you have it. Honey barbecue pork. Just delicious. Shallow fried, simmered, boiled and braised, and all done in this amazing iCook wok.